Russia wants to build a jet like the American F-35, but can they? The F-35 is more than just a plane, it's a flying computer packed with advanced technology. Russia has good engineers and a history of building jets. However, the F-35 presents a huge challenge even for them. It's not just about designing a stealthy shape, it's about the invisible things, the software, the sensors, the manufacturing quality. These are not easy to copy. Russia's Su-57 is often compared to the F-35. It's stealthy and carries weapons internally. But experts say it's not as advanced. The Su-57 is bigger and easier to spot on radar. Plus, Russia has struggled to build them in large numbers. The F-35 has been flying and being upgraded for years. This gives the US a big head start. The F-35's real power is hidden. Take its radar, the AN/APG-81. It doesn't just find targets, it creates a detailed picture of the battlefield. Imagine seeing through walls and underground. This radar helps the F-35 jam enemy systems and even guide missiles for other planes. Then there's the data fusion. The F-35 gathers information from all its sensors and shares it instantly with friendly forces. This creates a shared awareness, giving everyone a clear advantage in combat. This level of technology is hard to replicate. It's not just about having smart engineers, it's about having the right materials, the manufacturing know-how, and years of testing and refinement. Building an advanced jet isn't like making a car, it requires incredible precision. Think of it like building millions of iPhones, but each one has to fly at supersonic speeds. Every part, every line of code, has to be perfect. The F-35 relies on parts that are machined to tolerances thinner than a human hair. This is where the US excels. American factories use advanced robotics and computer-aided manufacturing. They have decades of experience in building complex machines at scale. Russia, China, and India are investing in their own industries. But catching up to the US in this area will take time and massive investment. The proof is in the numbers. The US has built hundreds of F-35s. They are flown by the US Air Force, Navy, and Marines, as well as by allied countries. This large-scale production allows for constant upgrades and improvements. It also means that pilots are getting more training and experience on the aircraft. Russia, China, and India are far behind. They have built a handful of advanced jets, but nothing close to the scale of the F-35 program. This gap in production translates to a gap in capability and experience. The US has mastered the art of taking technology from the lab and turning it into a real weapon. That's a critical advantage in the world of military aviation.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.